find you a bucky.
It's not a bucket. It's a Hilux.
It is continued by World Sports Betting. It is good times to say what today. It's Bafana against Mozambique. Bafana winning in a friendly encounter. As called like umvundla ofile Bafana qonyule izandla ke ibonakala strange kwayona ke shame le Bafana ngoba ke yeah uzibuza into ubangaba bebedlala loluhlobo bedlala ku tournament major mhlambe bebezabanjani ithamsanqa ke into bangapha ku Club World Cup bahambile bazawuphinda babuye baba nobuya batshona namanzi mhlawumbe ibhoat isinke America singasenjeni but anyways well done to izinja zegame ezidlaleleyo kodwa ngumvundlo ofile eMozambique akonto ingako yenzileyo saba bafutshane kakhulu ke umdlalo wethu wayesakuba ngumdlalo Bafana utsovule kazobona kanjani umdlalo
Misike kunjani mfethu?
Yes sir, yes sir.
Ngibulisa wena, ngibulisa uStizi.
Yes sir.
Ngibulisa chairman my chairman.
Sijuna kanye.
Bese ngibulisa lapho Lindo Mkwena. Ngibulisa nani emakhaya qina support njalo la Disk TV. Ngizobeka nje njalo akuchike futhi. Bafana. Yeah, no.
Now go ku Mandela Cup.
Yeah, Misike, you know.
Enandlana Nigeria.
Sathana Nigeria, yeah.
Enenzile favor Nigeria.
No.
No. You remember that before that we couldn't beat Nigeria.
Yeah.
Until we organized a glorified friendly international.
No. That was a cup game.
Yeah, Mandela Cup. Only you nina qualify nina final ni qualify na team no ba nidlala ka semi final ani nidlala ka quarter final nani ko umvundlo file Nigeria ngoba bekhona ocoach kula game
bekangekho kunabo I think Joseph Yobo abo
goalkeeper
Martins yes no beku ubantu bekafimela iswalo sikonje
ucricket
yeah
you favor
no bekalimele yazi mse there's one thing about our country that I love ukuthi you know we don't have to force our way to all these big competitions you know the door is always open for us and then we just go in
the final and the quarter final and the 16 kudlaliwa namhlanje mse so I think the biggest theme of these games is Bafana number one of course it's the end of the season most of the players are tired both sides but of course it gives us an image of what Bafana looks like without the main squad 7 to 10 players from Mamelodi Sundowns and that's not a controversial take it is true that we look different without them Kwayiba, Mbutuma, not bad tonight. What do these players say to us as a country about their capability to be able to be there when an Ikram Renas is not there, Themba Zwane is not there, all of the Sundowns players, Mukwena is not there. I mean, God forbid we play the AFCON without Mukwena. Tebogo Mukwena, the best midfielder in the country. What does this team look like without those players?
Look, I was impressed by Amatachis Mbutuma. And also you know, one thing that I like, and I always say this, Uguti, when you play with a lone striker, that means he needs midfielders to come and join. Then we can see, Uguti, does he give us what we need now as a team, or he can't do it? And Mbutuma showed, Uguti, look guys, trust me, I can hold the ball, I can play when you are making a run. And he made some good moves. And that is something, you know, Uguti, I see Mbutuma differently than the Mbutuma Lowe Richards Bay. And when I look at our top strikers, the three big teams in South Africa, for me it's top. Because I can mention those strikers and, you know, I'm not comparing.
What did you like about him? What is top about him?
You know, he can trap the ball, he can pass, he can move, you know, and you can see even our teammates, they believe in him. You know, by I'm passing ball, others they come support because you know he's a good passer, he can pass. And he created chances for us. It's just that Ulontuza Kwayiba missed, Mfukeng missed. You know, he had very good touches. And for me, I was so impressed about him. And my concern is that are we really in our lives of football? Killing the brain of football in terms of having that number 10 that is going to make things happen for us. A player that will link between the striker and the defensive midfielders, because I see he's playing with two defensive midfielders. But where's that number 10 that can link between these midfielders and the striker? I'm worried with that because I don't see us creating anything from the midfield. every time, whatever that comes in, goal, wonke mele ezela emawingini, either right or left. So what's happening here? Are we not playing because we are not playing, or we are not playing because we don't have players that they can create chances for the strikers?
Yeah. Generally speaking, when you look at the team, Mofokeng, Mkota, Maswanganyi wasn't there today, as well. Does Bafana look like they are in a healthy place? That if whatever happened to those players, the Sundowns, for example, injuries, whatever, that we have a good team without them? Because this was a good exercise. I like this exercise. Of course, everyone undermines Sundowns. Somehow Sundowns winning 8 league titles is not important. Everyone undermines them. It's only when they're not there that you realize, Jesus, this team is good only because of them. If you remember Coach Hugo Bros at the beginning of his tenure at Bafana, he was demeaning, disrespectful to Mamelodi Sundowns players, and he was not winning, and he would be knocked out of competitions. And he called those players. Themba Zwane said he was over 30, not good enough, whatever. All the nonsense that he was saying, he proved himself wrong. Fortunately for him, he's old enough to understand that you can rectify your mistakes. You can make one call and change it.
Yeah, definitely.
This was a good exercise. Generally speaking, Abankota, Abomufugeng, do they look like they can be good replacements? Can they be players for the future for Bafana Bafana?
Mr. Gio, to be really honest, I think they give us a bit of a fresh air in terms of now we know what we can work on this going forward. Because now if we're gonna really sit down and say, because the future is very important, Mr. Gio. We need to think of tomorrow still a day.
Yeah.
And I like what Coach Bruce did to Guti. Let me put them in Abu Police, Nkota, Mufukeng. Let them Abu Cupido. Let them play.
Oh, good finish for Cupido. Good finish.
No, he hasn't had the such mini to finish, and that's a very good finish. So I think he's giving us a breather to say, look, if we give these boys time and then with the proper guidance, I think we can have a better team. Look at these boys; they're still young. They're still young, and you give them the next 2-3 years. I think we're gonna have a very solid team. And for me, having Umbogazi there at the back again, it tells you Uguti, the coach is looking at the future, not now. Yes, now now, but this is a Kuruma manje. I know, as not choice. Maybe it's a Pitori. No. Mr. Gary, yeah.
No. Sundowns, like in the eyes of South Africans, Zizinja is a waste of time. It's a thing that they don't think they need until they need it. When they need it, then they realize, damn, like we actually rely on these players.
Mr. Gary, when yabona masekuthiwa sekufuneka amadoda manje.
Yeah, exactly.
Kufuneka amadoda kuyasetshenzwa. No, sePitori. Yeah, no. Mina, I'm one person with the girl that oyikhuluma nje obinjalo ukuthi when I know ukuthi mase ngithi manje ngifuna ipick nefesholo siyalifuna igolide. Ngiyazi mele ngiyephi. So manje I'm like, let me build these ones ukuthi nabo bazofika kule stage list where mase sithi pick nefesholo siyazi nabo abakhona. So for me I think that's a good exercise to give these boys a run like this, but I'm asking in the near future if we want to play our friendly games, can we test these boys again against Egypt?
Ubalekile umqeqeshi uthi bebemnika ichance yokudlala neMorocco. Umqeqeshi uHugo Bros. He knows what would have happened. Number one, that to me is an admission ukuthi without those key players, he knew he was going to lose. Because but uthi bamnikile ichance yokudlala neMorocco, but he turned it down. Which is to prove, well, it's good for him and for his career, because once he loses 5-0, Hugo Bros out. So it's good for his career. And all of these foreign coaches, anyways, they come here just to advance their career. They don't care about anything else. So if he had played against Egypt or Morocco, he knows they would have kicked his ass. Like, he knows that. So he said he turned it down.
Yeah, it's worrying, Mr. Gale, because we are building this point. Maybe I don't understand between the association and him, because when you say you are building a team, Mr. Gale, we don't expect these boys to beat Morocco. but we want them to show what is that they can do against Morocco, because we know in Morocco they will come with their big guns, strong players, big players, about winning Champions League, and they will come with that team very strong. And then it's a good test for our boys to say we can hold this. Even if you lose that game, we're building. It's about
for his career, he would have been in the headlines as a coach,
that's
and his name would have been in the mouths of many South Africans, because many of our people, because of gambling and not loving football, they go match by match. You play this game, you lose, You play this game, you win, Like, it's not about, this is a game, we could lose it, but we're going to 2027. Like, they never think that far ahead. So for the career of that coach, it was a good thing. But good outing for today, Mr.
Yeah, no. Kamnandi, and it's a refreshing. So into so Mr. Nkios Yafunega, where we see these young boys, but I still believe with these other players that I think coach and I need to just look at them. Because if you've got a player like a top goal scorer like Mabasa at Orlando Pirates, Mabasa, I know people was like, hey, now look, I'm pushing Mabasa, but he's scoring. He's a top goal scorer at Orlando Pirates. So I think that he also deserves a chance. Abonduti, I love this boy, Mr. Kyo. Maybe I want to simfangeni guy uzawukhula Mr. Kyo. Usiphombule maybe uzawukhula. Mhlawumbe uzawukhula kayi.
Ayonda yodlala national team. Udinga fana mina angadlala angajimi kude kuphele icontract. Then uphinde umthatha ufake ku national team. Usoyembo yena but akadlala kajimi, ujima phi nabani.
Ayishazit.
Yena bathenga saGauteng. Ubuza mfaka wena umbule.
No, just ukuthi boy mamela.
Ubuza mfaka. Makange. Wena mfaka.
Khle lapha kanti kushisa.
Sisibuze, hayibo lo muntu akajimi nje akana club. And kangadlala professional for 3 miles or something. Nimfaka.
Special players, Mr. K. Special players, we need to find a way to dealing with
makalungiswe. Let him rehabilitate himself. Ngokuthi ahlale, aphefumule. Breathe in, breathe out, and then I'm okay. When he's okay, then he can go and play. He's a good player, obviously.
Yeah, very good player. No, it was a good outing for me. I enjoy watching these boys playing solid defense. Mbogazi lapane mova, Nico Mobi at the right back. The central midfielders I was not really impressed. But looking at Kingama 2000, the minister Yase Morocco.
Yes, sir.
Algeria, yes. They did very well. For me, I was so happy. Just that both of them, they couldn't really get those goals, but they did very well. I'm
there you
proud.
Go. That's Bafana. Thank you very much to former Bafana player, Orlando Pirates icon legend. That's Bafana playing. Itiski Times was suspecting. For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Itiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafowethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.